Good evening, welcome to my channel. This video will show you how to fix Fiverr approval and how to get approval on Fiverr. First thing you have to do is go to your settings on the account you want to create Fiverr on. I mean your website, the Chrome website you are using. Maybe you are using Chrome or any website or any browser website you are using. So go to your settings first and fix the error. So that's come to go to your privacy and security. Then click on third parties cookies. As you can see, is a lot of party cookies. No, we are not doing that. Then you can block third party cookies because Fiverr can see whatever you are doing. Site can use it to improve your browsing experience. So and make sure there is nothing like no site added here. So when you see that no site added, then you are free to go. So click on your privacy and security once again. Scroll down, you see your site settings. Click on it. As you can see, automatically block third party sign. That's Fiverr. So you won't be able to see my whatever I'm doing whenever I'm trying to create an account on their platform. So they won't be able to see me. So then click on location, site location. It's going to see choose that I don't allow site to see my location. Just click on it. Then we are done. So that's how to fix Fiverr error. So if we are not getting approval on Fiverr, so this is another way to get approval on Fiverr. So after you are done doing this, just go straight to your Fiverr and create your account. That's all. So if you enjoyed this my video, please subscribe to my channel, share it and like it and comment. Thank you. Good evening. Thanks for watching.